This video will show you how to access the CMDB Health Dashboard and how to set up the CMDB dashboard. In the Helsinki release, ServiceNow introduced the CMDB Health Dashboard, which serves as a central location to view aggregated health reports for your CMDB. Now, at a glance, you can understand the health of your CMDB and drill down to information that will help you take remediation actions to address the health issues. The CMDB dashboard requires some configuration before it can display meaningful data. Once configured, the dashboard displays data that is automatically collected and calculated on a recurring schedule, which you establish. Note that the CMDB dashboard is not domain aware and is not supported on the Microsoft Edge browser. To use the CMDB Health Dashboard, you must log in as an asset or ITIL user. Now, let's take a look at a CMDB Health Dashboard. Here's the default dashboard, but you can add and customize widgets and organize them to your individual preference. Every dashboard widget has some common capabilities. We can quickly drill down into the details of the scorecard by simply double-clicking on the widget to view a list view of the exception CIs relevant to that score. And we can refresh the data for any widget on demand like we see here. You can also edit the widget to display with or without a border or a title, and you can alter the title display. You can also adjust the height of the widget. Some widgets, like this one, allow us to save an image of the data display right from the context menu. And you can close and remove any widget with one click. You can choose from dozens of widgets to display on your dashboard. To add one, select the CMDB widget you want to add, click on the section of the dashboard form you want the widget to appear in, and click and drag it to reposition it on the dashboard. We can restore the dashboard to default settings anytime. The 4 default scorecards on the dashboard include an overall health score, derived from 3 other scores: completeness, a score of how many required fields and recommended fields have data; compliance, a score of an audit comparison of CMDB data against expected values; and finally, correctness, an aggregate score of the percentage of orphan CIs, duplicate CIs, and stale CIs, which are defined as CIs that have not been updated or discovered for a period of time. We can see these components of correctness broken out into individual scores by switching to the relationship view. You can set up each of these scores to update on any schedule you wish to specify by managing the score calculation jobs. You should configure the CMDB dashboard to make the data useful to your organization. Let's look at how to configure the aggregate reporting thresholds for CMDB widgets via the CI Class Manager. In our example, we'd like to adjust the reporting thresholds for servers. The advanced option provides access to the required field scorecard and its threshold setup. So you can decide what is considered to be best, as shown in green, at risk, as shown in yellow, and critical, as shown in red, by adjusting the values. You can establish thresholds for each CI class and each metric. In our example, we also adjust the threshold for duplicates within the server CI class via the duplicate scorecard threshold setup. These metrics for each CI class are collected at the widget level, which are in turn aggregated at the dashboard level. So ask yourself, do you know the current health of your CMDB? How can you gauge if you are making steady improvements to your configuration management capability? ServiceNow provides the CMDB Health Dashboard so you can get answers in almost real time. The CMDB dashboard provides a very powerful capability to understand and communicate the health of your CMDB at a glance. To help you identify the underlying issues, you can drill down and get detailed information in seconds. The CMDB Health Dashboard provides you with unparalleled insight into your CMDB. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.